It's the season to be jolly para sa mga pregnant women at mga bagong panganak na mommies sa Cainta, Rizal. Nasa 150 na mga kababaihan ang nakisaya sa pamaskong handog ng Hope Alive Healthcare na ginanap sa Rockfish Church, Philippines. Kwento ni Medical Director Dr. Tanya Douglas, misyon nila ang compassionate medical care para sa mga buntis, mga bagong panganak at kanilang mga newborn at ilapit sila kay Kristo.
This is a women's clinic and we deliver babies here. And we serve that part of the community. Those women are women that come here for their prenatal care and that some of them are postpartum, so they've just had their babies.
Ang Hope Alive Healthcare ay isang lying-in clinic at maternity care provider sa ilalim ng Kids International Ministries.
It's an amazing way to share the gospel. Jesus is the reason we are here, and we want each woman to know that in a deep and personal way.
Each mother has a story to tell. Everybody has a background that we don't know about. So we always want to try to lead with compassion when we're meeting with these mothers. Some of them have high traumatic stories, and we always have to be mindful of those things. So when they come in, we don't care what age you are. We don't care what your status is, what your economic background is. You come in, we care for you the same, we love you the same. We talk to you about Jesus. And that's the most important thing.
Binigyang diin din ito ni Straight from the Word host at kaakibat Ate Maloy Malibiran sa Lumbides bilang panauhin sa Christmas celebration.
Isinilang si Kristo dahil sa ating sarili, hindi natin kayang iligtas ang mga sarili natin para mapunta sa piling ng Diyos sa langit. Kailangan natin ng isang tagapagligtas na malinis, walang kasalanan. At ang qualified lamang, ang pwede lamang tagapagligtas na walang kasalanan ay sino? Anong pangalan niya? Si Jesus.
Paalala ni Ate Maloy, pag-alabin pa ang pananampalataya sa Diyos at panatilihing buhay ang pag-asa kay Kristo.
At ang bata na nasa iyong sinapupunan ay nagdudulot ng ligaya sa Diyos.
Pangarap ng Hope Alive Healthcare na makatulong pa sa mas maraming Pilipino, kaya naghahanda na sila para sa pagpapatayo ng isang ospital na nasa puso mismo ng komunidad.
We actually have some limitations at clinics like this. We cannot take care of teenagers and moms that have had multiple babies. And so we are looking at building a hospital here in Cainta, wanting to serve more people. We already have the land, but we're needing donations and we need volunteers. We need Filipinos who pwede mag-Tagalog. So we want them to be speaking Tagalog to our ladies, to our women.
Jesus is a personal God, and that's why He came, for that hope for them to have.
Merry Christmas!
Jomar Villanueva, Newslight.